some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up early in the morning without you by my side, yeah. Waking up early in the morning, and baby, I feel fine, I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up in the middle of the night.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
What's happening, my viewers and my beautiful subscribers? Good morning. How you do? You know alright? I hope each and every one of you is in a perfect good health this morning. I hope you don't feel no pain. And if you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Please, me I beg you, check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, make the doctor come to your home if you have the money. But you don't know, if you're broke and not have no money, don't worry yourself. Your auntie, your granny, your cousin, your sister, your brother, anybody we can get a hold of, we're going to ask them to take you to the doctor. So don't worry yourself about that. Remember, mental health is not a joke. It's not something to play with. So do some wellness check. Call people. Check on them. Make them know say you did it. Feed them. Yeah? Alright. You know how to cook today? If you know how to cook today, just remember to share the dinner. Give somebody something to eat. Yes. And if today your birthday, guys, if today your birthday, happy birthday to you. Guys, today is my father's birthday. Father passed away in 2023 through prostate cancer. Guys, prostate cancer is not a joke. It's a very serious thing. Yeah man, it's not a joke, it's very serious. So do a prostate test, check upon the prostate, make sure you're alright, because every day on earth is a very good day, and it's very important to live at least one extra day, you know, because remember, all of us have our 4 o'clock, but remember, the longer and the more you take care of your body, and the more and the longer time you live, because we don't know when we are going to, but you know. But guys, what we really want to talk about is the importance of being a Jamaican. Hold on a bit. Let me see if I can explain something. Today, I am a proud Jamaican. Yesterday, I am a proud Jamaican. Last week, last year, every single God Almighty day that I am on this earth, I am a proud Jamaican. I am very much bossy to be a Jamaican. How cannot you be excited to be a Jamaican? As a Jamaican, me is a proud boy, me is a bossy boy to be a Jamaican. Me happy, me glad that I am a representative of my Jamaica, Jamaica. Yes, me is very excited. I'm very much bossy about where we come from. Me a bossy Jamaican, and you don't know, every Jamaican bossy and love the hype up and love the one with themselves. How cannot you want to be a Jamaican? Me a tell the truth say, oh, me say me good, oh. Me say as a Jamaican man, me a tell you say me proud. This morning, I feel so good. I feel so excited. I feel so excitement. I feel so excitism. I feel so, Lord God Almighty. Have the excuse for you calling out the Jesus name like that. I feel so good this morning when I saw on my computer, I saw Colaz Smith in Thailand, aka Bangkok, at a Jamaican restaurant. At a Jamaican restaurant. So guys, there is a Jamaican man living in Bangkok and him have a restaurant. The viewers and subscribers, I never get the opportunity to watch the whole of Colaz Smith live, to get the name of the restaurant. However, I will go back and watch that video, but I have to make this video while I'm driving. I'm going to handle some business. But the guys, one of the reasons why I really want to make this video and talk about this restaurant that Colaz Smith went to have fried dumpling in a Bangkok, Thailand, is this. As a Jamaican, while you are tearing down each other, you realize that there is a Jamaican restaurant all the way across the atmosphere, across the universe, in Asia, in another part of the world, and the other side of the world. There is a Jamaican man. There is a Jamaican man with a Jamaican restaurant, with Bob Marley, with Jamaican flag a fly, and yet still on the on YouTube a tear down Jamaican day come. How you feel about yourself, knowing that tearing down another Jamaican is the order of the day, while people that don't know Jamaica, that love Jamaica, who have never gone to Jamaica, is having Jamaican food in a damn country. Bangkok at that. Hold on a little bit. The owner of that restaurant, me not get your name either, you know. But me have to do the video. I go find your name, I go find your business name, and I go tag it in the comment section. I go tag it down the bottom there. So anybody I go to Bangkok or I go to Thailand, I want Jamaican food, there is a Jamaican restaurant. You know, there was a long time saying, you see, that me don't know if you hear this as saying, but there was a long time, or there is a long time saying that anywhere you go in the world, there is a Jamaican. Even if you go to hell, there is Jamaicans down a hell I try install air condition. Me don't know if you ever hear that. But remember, anywhere you go in the world, there is and there will be a Jamaican cooking something, fixing something, doing something to make money. But yet still, we on YouTube tearing down each other. Why we as Jamaican cannot just sit down and look into those things and look into these things and realize how strong, powerful and healthy and wealthy we as Jamaicans is. And just see, hey, you see the lady? I rub up the domino, all domino I play. Asian people I play domino. Listen to me now, man. Listen to me now, man. Now let me talk about Colaz Smith. Colaz, you see that what you do? That what you do? Highlight. You find a Jamaican restaurant and you go highlight the Jamaican restaurant. Listen to me. Listen to me, youth. Listen to me, yard man. Listen to me, my parishioner. Listen to me, my parish neighbor. Because you're born on the borderline, you know, so you're Portlander and you're St. Mary. St. Marian. Listen to me, youth. Go and do your thing. Go and enjoy your life. All if me say nothing and me say nothing bad about you, go and live your life. Go and enjoy yourself. Because what you want to do, you do it and you learn and you grow your wealth. You listen, you grow your wealth. None of we not perfect in this world. Not one of us is perfect in this world. We all have our dirty side. We all have little things where we do where we shouldn't do. Yeah, we all have it. We all have it. Whether if it's crime, not crime, we all have something that we have done in our life that if many know, would I do better. But when I say to you, when me see you do, respect. This when me see you do, if you highlight this restaurant, and me know you are good about to eat. Me know you are good about to eat. Me feel powerful as a Jamaican. Me always feel powerful as a Jamaican. Because when me walk, and me walk my mouth and people say, oh my God, you're a Jamaican. It make me feel good. That's why when me talk, it's only because from me grew up, me talk, me like to put my sentence them good. But when me ready to talk, me bad patois. Me raw, where you are do, where you are go, where you are come from. Yes, me have it. Me no left my patois. You will never hear me talk about, hey, you know what's going on over there. What? No, you not hear me say that. You not hear me talk about, hey, you know, man, what's up, man? No, you're not going to hear me do them something because that's not who I am. And also, Mr. No, hey, man, what's up, man? No, what I go on, where you are do, where you are come from. But me really feel very, very good to see Colaz Smith in that restaurant. I eat some food and knowing say it's a Jamaican owner, a Jamaican restaurant with Jamaican flag. Bob Marley, I play some Jamaican tune. In a which part? Thailand. Where? Down a Bangkok. If you all can realize and look on that and realize how strong, how powerful we as Jamaican can be, then you're not dead to me. If you all can see that and realize that we as Jamaican, we can make it if we try. You can get it if you really want, but you must try. Try and try. Try and try. If you try, you will make it. If you push, you will make it. Listen to what me I say. Colaz Smith out there doing thing. People I go bash, people I go say all kind of something. But at the end of the day, he might live. And let me say this to each and every one of you. Stop sending me message. Tell me about how me now talk about what Colaz are do. Me no know what him do. You stop sending me message about it. Oh. When me see this morning, I see that man, when me look on the man's face, me see appreciation. Me see love. Me see that feelings of that man. The love where that man a get within himself. And also, the guy was sitting on the table, the black guy was sitting on the table and the black shorts and the red shirt. Him a Jamaican too. So, hey, Jamaican live everywhere. Jamaican live every single wish part in this world. Jamaican live. Jamaican live everywhere in this world. Everywhere in the world there's a Jamaican live. And I make video. Me would make video of the hills, the nook and cranny of Jamaica. Me that go show the whole of Jamaica day and night. Hey, hold on. We just give you an idea. Anybody out there want to start a YouTube channel? Right now, I don't see that going on. I see Jamaica walk by. Jamaica walk by is the only person I see out there. I do a YouTube channel where him walk and go out in at the place them. But me I go give you a YouTube channel. Anybody ready to make a good YouTube channel? I don't know if you don't remember when them used to have a TV channel. Listen to me. Listen to what I'm saying to you right now. If you need one of the best YouTube channel out of Jamaica, start a YouTube channel named Ilangoli Rido. Put something in it. Change up the name from Ilangoli. Just name Jamaica Ilangoli. Give it the channel that name, Jamaica Ilangoli. When you listen the context of what that channel should be, or is and will be. When you say Ilangoli, it meaning that you're going to go in the hills and the valley and the gully of Jamaica and talk to people in the community. Listen what you do. You talk to the older folks in the community. Talk to them in the community. The whole folks, make them tell you about what used to happen 1950, 1960. That is the YouTube channel where you need to start. If you start a YouTube channel like that, where people can sit down and watch and learn about Jamaica from the eyes of the elders, from the eyes of the whole people, from the eyes of the people up in the hills and in the valley, and the bodies and the best YouTube channel that we say. You see, if I was living in Jamaica, that's the YouTube channel I would do. Colaz Smith, my brother, listen to me. Me know you have a YouTube channel already and you are doing your thing, but that's a YouTube channel can't go on. Me know you can angle up more on your plate, but listen, if you can help somebody and tell them how to do it and help them start or give them a start, give them, as a matter of fact, you know what? I go try to, listen me, who want to start a YouTube channel and don't have the idea? Me have an idea. Contact me. You know, see me number out there. Contact me, me give you an idea. Me give you this idea. Me outline this idea about how to start a magnificent YouTube channel. I can make me can make up the YouTube channel for you, give you the password and give you all the information where you want with the YouTube channel. Link me up, my number there, DM me, tell me if you have to live in Jamaica, do you know? If you're not living in Jamaica, it does make sense because it is a video that you need to be living in Jamaica to be able to have a YouTube channel like the YouTube channel idea we may have. So to each and everyone out there, If you want to start a YouTube channel that will be very profitable, a YouTube channel that will be very informative, a YouTube channel that will be very important to our country, to our beautiful country, contact me. Me got the style, me got it, me have it. If me did ever live in a Jamaica, that's the YouTube channel where me would have start. Jamaica, Hill and Gully side. Jamaica, Hill and Gully side. What an idea. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, until the next video, walk good, smile good, live good, and be nice. Hey, you don't like me red? Hey, you don't like me red? Tell me if you don't like me red, man. Hey, hold on. You don't like the new look? You don't like the new look? Hey, then say me don't live nowhere. Then say me don't live nowhere. Then say me live in a me vehicle. Then say me live out that door. Then say them a wait till summer come so me can't go out that door. Hey, tell me if you don't like the looks, the new look. Tell me if you don't like the red. Tell me how me look when me in a red. And tell me how you don't like if you don't like the glass, you know, the new glass, yeah, the Ralph Lauren. Tell me if you don't like it. But you don't know what? Let me tell you about that glass, yeah. After me go change my glass, so me have to do my physical, my high physicalness. When me go, this woman, after me pick up one glass, try it on, this woman come over now. So me I say, why this woman tell me about now? The woman say, try this. So when me try on the glass, me say the woman look for me and give me one way you call name smile. Hear me now? That the smile alone I tell me something. So you know what? When me looking at the mirror and look for myself, me say, Lord, me look expensive. Me look expansive. Me look like, oh boy, with the great. So then now when me look over upon the lady, you want to see her over there? I blush. You know what me do? Me take my glass and I go through the door. She said, no, you have to sit over there. So I said, sit where? She said, oh, just pull out that table right there and have a seat. I said, oh, okay. So me do it. Me follow what she said and me have a seat. Hear what she said. She said, put the glasses on. So me put the glass on. Then she said, how it feel? Me said, oh, it feel perfect. She said, look on this chart. Me look on the chart. She said, can you tell me this line? Can you read this line? I said, oh, I can't read even the smallest line, the smallest letter. Me could have see. She said, oh, that's very good. So then, me think me fi get up. Cause me ready to get up. She said, no, you don't get up yet. This woman have me, this lady, have me sit down there and take continuously a look. So me say, oh, I kind of realize what she had done. You know what me do? Me say, oh, so everything, so me take off the glasses and put in at the case and walk out of the store. So the glass look good. Yeah, she like it. The viewers and subscribers have a beautiful day. Now say a word. Peace. I love. I'm out.